Hello, this is the tutorial for my Lego puzzle box draw. I'm gonna start off with a 4x4 base plate, smooth pieces here and like that, connected to this, smooth pieces. Here's a 2x1 with a 1x1 smooth, and then this here, this is slide. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible so that I don't run out of memory. Take a couple of 2x1s here, and then two of these 1x1 with holes in. Put a 2x1 smooth in this kind of technique, piece, rod, key in here, whatever it's called. Then you wanna take no, actually. Take two 4x2s and a 1x1 smooth there, 3x1, 4x1s, 2x1 and a 1x1 here. I'm not gonna say every piece, I think. You see here, it's a 1x1 and a 2x1 smooth here, top of this 1x2 and a 1x1. This is gonna be here. Here we have 2 1x1s. Here's a smooth 2x1 going out with a couple of 1x1s under C flat and 1x2 here. Pause and check it out. So it's gonna be here, and you wanna make 1x2, a couple of smooth pieces here, connected to a 1x2 here, 1x1, and a smooth on top. Then you take here a couple of 1x2s with a 1x1 under there. And it's gonna be here in the front, so there you go, that part. So a couple of 1x2s and a couple of 1x1s here. Then take a 4x4 plate with and put a 2x1 there, 2x1 there, and 4x1 here, and it should fit on top of here. On top of this, 2x2 smooth, 1x2 here, 1x1 hole, and smooth here and here. And you know what? Take a or I don't know, 4x2 here. I'll explain a little over here. I think 1x2 there, 1x1 smooth, 1x1 there, and 2x1 smooth. A 1x2 brick there, 1x1, doesn't have to be a hole there, 2x1 smooth there. It's gonna be on top, yeah. So here on the side, it's gonna be one of these, a couple of 2x1s, and here 1x1, 3x2, smooth pieces here and corner pieces here, angle piece there. Put it over here. If you miss anything, just pause, go back, and hopefully you get it. So 1x1 brick you can take, and 1x1 smooth here, and and you can take a couple of 1x2s and 1 there. It's gonna be this part which slides up. I'm gonna run out of memory, so I fix it. So here a 2x2, 1x2 under here, a 1x1, 1x2 smooth, which is gonna be the key. Slide it in here like that. Okay, so here you wanna have this little key, but you want to make a 3x1 with smooth piece on and put this here. And then you want to take a 1x3 on the side here. Oops. On top of that, take a 1x4 and a 1x3. Connect them with a 2x2 and a 1x2 smooth. Here's a 1x2 and a 1x2 smooth. In the corner here, a 1x1. And it will fit here, hopefully. Then take two 1x4s in here. Connect them with a 1x4 and fill it up here. And put it on like this. Here you go. And on the top, you want to put. Let's continue. So, here, take a 4x4, smooth pieces here and here and here. Put it on top here. Yeah. So then you take 2x1, 1x1 with this kind of hole, smaller, 1x1, 1x4, on top over here. Then you take 1x2, smooth, 1x4, a couple of these. Right, take a 1x3, smooth here, 1x1 and 1x1 smooth, and put it in here before we close this up, like that. It's gonna slide this and block another thing. It's gonna block this piece, which is a couple of 2x2s, 1x2, and 2x4 smooth pieces here, 1x2 and 1x2 smooth, and a 1x1 here. On top of this, you wanna build a two 1x4 smooth pieces here, which should be able to slide. If they don't, change them, please. Then take a 1x there, 1x1 there. Make a mirrorized version, or actually just put a 1x1 there, and a 1x4 to connect them both, which you put right under here. This do jam sometime, but oh well. Here's your price supposed to be. This is where your price is supposed to be. You wanna put it down and put this on top of there, and there you go. Hope you build it, and if you have built any of my boxes, please show me. It'll be fun. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you build. Check out my thumb. Right, but right.